金汉在美国 Welcome to my channel Hey guys, by the way, one of my friends told me that when you are visiting, just have to be careful on the shit on the road, because that is not a shit from the dog, that's shit from the human being. So there's a lot of homeless people in San Francisco, so just have to be careful on the road. So let's move on. Hey guys, it's so beautiful. Beautiful. So beautiful here. It's like a little chilly, but it's fine. But it's really good. I don't know where I am, but I'm close to the Disney Museum. So the green room and fresh air. Excited. Keep going. Bye. Ding.
This is heaven. This is love. There's no other meant for me. Not a cloud on the highway. We are onto something, something so good. We are onto something so beautiful. We are onto something, something so good. We are onto something so beautiful.
Hey guys, I just finished visiting Disney Museum. It was different from what I expected. I was expecting we're more talking about like the cartoons, like the Mickey Mouse, or I forgot what the name, but that's it anyway. So I thought we'll be more focusing on the cartoons, but this museum is mainly focused on the founder of Disney, Walt Disney. So Mr. Disney was dead in 1966, and this whole museum was talking about how he built up the Disney, what is the motivation make him want to create this Disney, and what is the motivation including him to become the artist in foreign and then create this Disneyland. And now we see all the animation and anything. That was incredible. Like, he contributed his whole life to Disney. That was wow. That's really cool. And now I'm going to take a picture. Like, maybe I'm trying to find a good angle to take a picture with the Golden Bridge. So let's go. this spot. Golden Gate Bridge. Do you know why? Because I said Golden Bridge and my friend corrected me. Golden Gate Bridge. Good. Is it a good spot? Golden Gate Bridge, right? Hey guys, I finally get a good spot taking picture with the Golden Gate Bridge. So let's move on. Hey guys, I'm going to the next step called, where is it? Oh, Palace of Fine Art. So let's go. I feel this. Hey guys, guess what? I'm in Amazon Go. That's the first store without cashier. So here, because there are two Amazon Go in San Francisco. I go to the one on the California street. So let's move on. Hey guys, now I'm on the way to the ferry building marketplace. That is really historic building in San Francisco and also famous for the food. And there's a lot of restaurants in this building, and also it's really famous for the seafood, but I don't eat seafood because I'm vegetarian, but I still want to check it out. So let's go. Hey guys, welcome to Rincon Park with the big ball. Let's go.